When we are working with sequences, it is common that we will need to convert FASTQ sequences like this one here. As you know, each of the records contain 4 lines. The first one is an ID, like this one here. The second one is the sequence of DNA itself. The third field, we don't have to mention that. It could be used to include additional information about sequencing, but in this case it's empty. And the fourth field is the quality, the code for the quality of each of the nucleotides or base pairs. So we may want to convert this file from the FASTQ format to the FASTA format. In the FASTA, we will only need the ID, which will be preceded by a greater than sign and the sequence itself. So how we do that with Bash without having to write a script in parallel or Python or R? So simply, very simple. Let's cut this file, and when it cuts, let's collect the lines 4 by 4, and then we can use a program that is called paste 1, 2, 3, 4. And so this will collect all the lines and blocks of 4, and then we use our friend awk to tell that we want to print the greater than sign followed by the first line that will contain the ID. Then we want to introduce a new line character, and then the second line that corresponds to the DNA sequence, and we wanna then close this here. Okay, and this is not working, so let's see what is the problem. So the ID seems to be correct, so we have the greater than, and here I think the $sign is missing. So instead of printing the value of the second line, which corresponds to the sequence, is printing only the number 2, right? That should fix the problem. And if you see here, we have a beautiful FASTA format now, right? It's an ID with a greater than sign, and then comes the sequence. Of course, we can, as before, just save this into a new file that will be called, for example, FASTA file 1,000,000 FA. And we are done.